Hi, it's Wednesday, February 16th, and I've got the insulation guys here today. Look at that big truck full of insulation. Look at this. There's so much insulation for such a small house. They must need like 2 or 3 of these for a normal sized house.
We installed batt insulation, B-A-T-T. It's also called blanket insulation, which is insulation that comes in flat chunks of fiberglass material, as opposed to blown insulation, which is like all kinds of loose material that they would blow into an attic.
So the guys have been here for maybe 30 minutes, probably less. They've already got like half of it done. Okay, so maybe not all this is for us, because they've already gotten half of the house done, and there's still a lot of insulation left in the truck.
That is some thick insulation.
R38.
38's a pretty high R value, and the higher the R value, the more efficient it is at regulating the temperature.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Keeping the heat in or keeping the heat out.
It took them about 2 hours, and they got all of the insulation in. They also put some of this caulking. If I touch it here, hopefully it doesn't stick to my finger. Oh, nope, it's fine. This is like, I guess, insulation caulking. And take a look up this stairwell.
It's up the stairs? That's insulated.
I have to say, the insulation kind of has a very unique smell to it. Kind of has a vanilla-y, sweeter smell, which I'm sure is toxic, but kind of adds to the sensual nature of this phase of the project.